Aquarius. If your sun, moon, rising or Venus is in the sign of Aquarius, this video is for you. This video is for 15th of March till 31st of March 2021. So this reading is for these 2 weeks. So let's find out what do we have from the divine. Exchanging gift and TikTok. Okay, so Aquarians, you have to understand two things. It's time for, TikTok is actually the card which talks about it's time to act, because the divine is supporting you. So it's a divine timing for things to happen. Okay, so within not just these 2 weeks, but I believe within this whole, this mid of month till the next month's mid, it's time for you to be really bonding with that spiritual aspect of yours. Exchanging gift is a card which says that you have a lot to share with people. Your knowledge, maybe your some sort of life understanding. So anything that you have, minutest things that you have, please share, please exchange. Okay, you can exchange your love with the divine. You can exchange your be kind, be kind to your own self. Exchange your love for the self, exchange your love for the divine. Exchange the knowledge that you have gathered, even if it is of failures, okay, or success, to boost somebody. Exchange the gifts that you already have, the gifts of patience, the gifts of listening, the gift of counseling, maybe gift of knowledge, or maybe gift of maybe you are good in some subject. Okay, so please reach out to more and more people and exchange that gift. Exchanging also means to and fro. So it's like when you give, you receive, right? So you'll receive something or the other that will help you to which will ultimately be a divine help for you to understand that your time has come. Okay, so it's time for you to come out of your comfort zone and your shell and really dance in the rhythm of exchanging your gifts that the soul already has. Something or the other you definitely have. So please find that out, do that, so that you can savor the benefit of this divine timing. Let's dive deeper into what this gift is all about and what is this timing all about. Where is it actually taking us? Aquarius, sun, moon, rising, Venus. What dropped in? Death, world. My goodness, I guess you are actually your time of divine timing of finishing. And oh God, so you have received 3 major arcanas, Aquarians. You need to really understand that your time has come. It is one of those, these 15 plus another 15 days time are going to be once in lifetime times, because here I am getting major arcana death, which is a card of transformation, which says that you're finishing one thing and getting into the other without hovering on to whatever was there in the past. It's gone. Then the completed world is a card that this is yet another card which actually complements death by saying that you are done with that phase. You have moved out, you are completely into a different time dimension itself. Okay, wherein the previous one does not even exist. You have a new life altogether. So it's a completion of a journey altogether. So this is death also is a completion of journey. Coming on to completed world is again a completion of journey. And what happens at the completion of journey is you start to love yourself, you start to become the original you, and something marvelous happens. So the more you are in love with your own self, the more you are in love with the divine, the more you attract love. So the Lovers card is a Gemini card though, but it is also a card of contract. It is also a card of that divine love around you. So definitely your time has come to move towards love, move towards something which is yours. But are you ready? What you have to do is, before you receive anything, exchange is like receiving and giving, right? So you have to give something so that you can receive. So if you have to receive love, you'll have to give love. Okay, your time has come. Do not waste this time. This is once in the lifetime opportunity that within these 30 days you will yourself see how your life changes. And again comes the um, card of words, the same card. This completed card repeats itself. You are done with you are done with a phase, moving into the other phase with no pretense. You've learned your lessons, you're done, you have balanced and integrated your lessons as well as mistakes, and you've grown through it, and you're dancing your own way out into the new world for your own self. Might have changed a place, might have changed a job, or you might have come out of a relationship or some mental trauma or something you're just about to finish, or it has just got finished, because it is a completely different dimension, time dimension you are getting into, as if you're sitting in a time machine and time travels for you. So these 2 weeks and plus 2 more weeks are going to be very significant for you. So do not give in to your negative energies or worries and how will that happen, this did not happen earlier, will this happen again. So all that limited belief system, get out of it, so that your best life can be experienced ever after. Okay, so these 30 days are really, 15 to 30 days are really crucial for you. Okay, so divine wants to give you support, but are you ready? I just said, are you ready? So it's like, please meditate. Do not take any shit from the people or anywhere, from your own self also. Just stay positive. Do everything possible, maybe a meditation or something, so that, for continuous basis for these 30 days, maybe twice a day, so that your head is clean and your energies are healed, and you are um, uh, you just don't concentrate over your missed opportunities, but there are other opportunities also around which the divine is offering, which will just pop in. So for that, create that space and get out of your head, exchange your gifts, any talent, anything that you have, give it out to people. Maybe your time, maybe your effort, maybe your smile, maybe your hi, maybe your anything, something that you can just go out and give, because when you give, then only you receive. Okay, and it's time to receiving a lot of divine love and the love from the people also. One more card for you, Ace of Sword, is yet another beginning. It is like a divine is offering clarity to you. Divine is asking you to have that mental clarity, truth. You will be able to get it, you will have that mental force, you will finally know your worth. Okay, it's a very good card. It's kind of a card of Archangel Michael, which is also a card of protection. So you're totally divinely guided here. I believe such kind of spiritual reading hasn't happened up till now for any of the zodiac signs. So this is one of those wonderful readings I'm having. It's time for you to receive love. Just do not block yourself. Cut through this sword of Ace of Swords, anything, any sort of limited belief system which says, after this I will do that, or after this happens I will receive love, or whatever it is. It's like, if the divine wants to give you something, please do not stop and come in the way of your own self. If it wants to give you love in the form of somebody, or maybe some friend, or maybe somebody, some good news, or some a promotion, or some work getting done, or maybe clearing an exam or something, just do not cut that out in your head that you do not want it, because you want to finish one thing, something in your hand, at hand first, before you get that. Let whatever you give, whatever you do, whatever you want to do, give whatever you can to the best of your abilities, and just receive and receive with that mental clarity. Okay, one more card for you. Yes, this is Five of Wands. This is a card which talks about inner struggle, inner strife, or healthy competition. So maybe there is something or the other going on in your head, and that is why probably I don't know why did I made that statement that the time has come. Even if you don't want something, the divine wants to offer. So take it, be in that reception. So because there is a lot of competition, healthy competition outside also, as well as there is a lot of internal strife which is happening inside your head. So please come out of that, heal yourself, um, I mean, get over with the, your phase is anyways ending with death card, world, completed world. This was a repetition, okay? And also the card of lovers. It is like, really signing a contract with your own self and divine that you will not leave the side of self and divine. And when that kind of a gift is exchanged, you receive the manifestation in various forms in this lifetime. Okay, so be a great manifester during these 15 to 30 days. So all the best. Please take care. Get out of your internal strife and get out of your comfort zone to exchange your gifts with others. It can be a simple prayer, but on a regular basis. Okay. Do not worry about missed opportunities. Divine is offering you even more, more and more. So your phase is getting over. You'll finally, if in case you are sitting here for a relationship thing, probably the time for a great relationship has come. Probably you have actually grown through whatever situations you might have gone through up till now. So the divine is actually saying that you've learned from your mistake. Keep learning from your mistakes, and but then do not dwell in the past. A new contract, a new person is entering your life, so it's a very good thing. It's just that a bit of your internal work that you have to do now, of reaching out to people, exchanging your gifts, exchanging anything that you have with others, and so that you can receive. So you can actually, when you give something, you receive. But what happens is, when you give something to somebody, you actually unblock your path, you clear your pipeline so that you can receive. Okay, so do that for yourself. Stop being into that internal strife of your own self. Don't do that. Things will be fine. You'll yourself see how your life changes within these 15 to 30 days. And I would want you to comment here in the comment box. I would love to read them. And if you like this video, please share it with your loved ones, and please take care of yourself. Bye bye.